Hello to everybody. In the last chapter, the eighth one, we are talking about the utility screen, appointment screen, and help screen. So, let's start with utilities. Here there are many options. Let's start from the beginning. About astrologer's assistant, you can have this kind of help, but for me, it's more or less useful. Okay. I don't use it. This is the idea. Birthday reminders. If you want, you have clients or you have friends that you want to have for birthday reminders, and you have their charts in this database. It's useful to have this kind of reminders. Okay. So for me, there is no birthday reminders because I don't use it. Import charts and settings. You can import from other files or other database the charts. I don't have anything to import. Backup. If you want to have a backup to save your chart somewhere in your computer, you can do it, not a problem. Okay, in any folder that you want. Okay, let's say solar fire files will be copied in my file. Do you wish to proceed? I will say okay, but not now. Okay. Backup all users files is the same idea. Open user file folder. Here you have all the files that are linked with this software that is installed during your when you put the CD or you download the link from the company that you bought this software. Open Swiss FLRead files. Here are many. Load teacher settings if you have a teacher. Assign to menu. Here, what kind of menu do you want to have on the screen? But I didn't change anything about the menu. Chart import export if you want. Edit rules if you want. Here it's about my antivirus Bitdefender, that is the best. Okay, it's not dangerous, but my antivirus is set up to show me when it's a execution file that it's asking for a change in my computer. It's for my computer safe. Here you can change all kind of things in rulership, but it's not the case because the rulership setup in this system is the best. Okay. And interpretation editor, you can put your own interpretation if you want. Right? Yes, I understand, my dear antivirus. Editor for Dignity and Almoten. So everything that is about editor and designer, page designer, wheel designer, and everything is about that you are the creator of everything. It's very interesting. I don't use it yet because I'm not on this level to create and change. I don't want this because what this software has now is very good and enough for a good analysis. You don't want to complicate yourself, but if you have an artistic view and like to create and you are designer, you can do a lot of things here. You see, here are some files that you can add new ones. Okay, about appointments. If you want to manage your appointments with your friends and clients about the meeting with them, you can manage here, but I don't use it. Client list, you can import or export the list. Receipt settings, if you want to generate receipts for your clients. Okay. About help, Solar Fire user guide. You have an online uh, Solar Fire user guide, but it's a lot of reading. Also, they are explaining you in very great details uh, everything when it's about uh, this this software. So you can find a lot of things, including what I have given you by this video. Encyclopedia. This is, okay, definitions due to astrologic, you know, uh, them about all kind of terms, you know, elevation, what it means elevation, to understand a dictionary, let's say, right? It's very useful. Solar life. This is also, you can go on the internet with this, but some of the pages are not available. Okay, so Solar Live, registered by email, check up updates and web. On web there is no update because I made it few 1 month ago. Get technical support. If you have a problem, you send email to the people from where you have bought this uh, software. You can send suggestions. You can visit the online media, social media files here, Facebook, website. Okay, this is the official website from where I have bought this software. Other solar product, also they are sending you on their website. Astrology school, there are some courses that they have. Okay, and what you have here about Solar Fire and my number of serial number, see, it's official, it's not cracked, right? It's bought by myself and I'm using in my researchers. So I wish you good luck in discovering this very nice and interesting software. Have a perfect day and see you with another lectures, audio lectures, videos, and please visit my website here. I have forecasts that appear every month, for every month, blog with all kind of articles, astro shops with consultations, all kind of consultations, right? Courses, online Hellenistic astrology lectures for beginners, also books. This is one of my books. Audio lectures, okay, about Romanian Astrological Association, where I am a member. The best database about astrological birth dates for celebrities, and the best astrology journal, Mountain Astrology. Okay, if you want to contact me by sending me a message, you can find me here. Okay, have a nice day.